Hey Cedar Ridge, I'm Maddie.
And I'm Zeke.
And you're watching Wolf TV at Home Edition.
We all hope that you are staying safe during this quarantine.
Last week was Teacher Appreciation Week. Thank you, teachers, for all that you do.
And now it's time for Teacher Spotlight with Colin.
On Tuesday, April 28th, seniors picked up their cap and gown, as well as a few other goodies, including a class t-shirt. While waiting in line, seniors were greeted by teachers holding signs for them, standing 6 feet apart, of course. It was a very nice surprise to see some of Cedar Ridge's amazing teachers. Last week was Teacher Appreciation Week, and to honor our outstanding teachers, the Cedar Ridge PTSO hosted a taco drive-thru for them. That's not all that happened, as students were also there holding signs, reversing the roles previously held at the cap and gown pickup. It was great to see everyone come together to support each other, especially during this uncertain and scary time.
We are having an in-person Class of 2020 graduating ceremony on Saturday, June 13th in the Cedar Ridge High School's field.
Seniors, make sure to check your email regularly for updates.
And now to breaking news with Alyssa.
Thanks, Zeke. North Carolina has entered Phase 1, which is its first step in its plan to reopen the state. During Phase 1, non-essential businesses such as gyms and salons will remain closed, but other activities will be allowed. If all goes well, Governor Roy Cooper suggested that Phase 2 can begin on May 22nd. For some Cedar Ridge news, even though we're not at school, the builders have been hard at work on the new wing and a lot of progress has been made. Well, that's all the news I have for you for today. I'm Alyssa Sari, signing off.
The yearbooks have arrived, and you will be able to pick yours up on Tuesday, May 26th. If you haven't already, make sure to reserve your copy at jostens.com. Along with a great book that captures so much of the good stuff that happened this school year, you will also receive an additional informational insert about COVID-19. And Jostens is even planning a virtual signing platform for you. So get yours today. The staff misses you all and hopes that you are safe and well.
Now it's time for a special message from Jared Little.
What up, my fellow Red Wolves? It's your boy, Lil J, and I just wanted to see how you guys are doing. I hope you guys are staying safe during the quarantine. Today's going to be a serious episode because what's going on in the world is a serious situation, and I wanted to use this platform to say thank you to all the frontline workers who are defending us from this virus and keeping us safe and ensuring that it doesn't spread. So I want to say thank you to all of those people and all of the government officials who are properly handling the situation. Thank you for keeping us safe. Alright, I will check in with you guys soon, and I hope you guys are doing okay. Bye. Peace.
To brighten your day during quarantine, here's Pet Shenanigans.
What's up, everyone, and welcome to the latest installment of Pet Shenanigans.
Down. Good girl. Shake. Good girl. Roll over. Good girl. Up. Good girl. Stay. Speak. Ah!
If you want a chance for your pet to be featured on the next episode of Pet Shenanigans, send a video of you and your pet to Miss DeGette for a chance to be featured.
This is a reminder to check your email often for updates from the school and teachers. Also, go ahead and add Cedar Ridge Videography Club on Facebook and Instagram. Stay strong, Cedar Ridge.
This has been Wolf TV at Home Edition.